The jump bags on our ambulances will be supplied with a pulmonine CPAP system. CPAP therapy is indicated for use on patients who meet the IHN and state respiratory distress protocol. The pulmonine CPAP system is powered by an O2 max fixed flow Venturi device that uses an oxygen supply in conjunction with inspired air to output and generate flow. The O2 max generator uses a 50 psi disport oxygen supply and can generate flows up to 140 liters per minute. The high pressure disc oxygen port can be found on portable oxygen bottles and main O2 ambulance trees. If your ambulance is equipped with an oxygen tree with a high pressure disc port, the CPAP system will be connected directly to this port. It is important to note, however, that only some of our ambulances are equipped with this type of oxygen tree. IHOP van ambulances will not be equipped with this type of tree. Instead, you will utilize a quick connect system that will be stocked with the CPAP system in your jump bag. This video will explain the steps in order to connect this device to the CPAP system and to the main oxygen supply in the ambulance. If you have determined that your patient meets the respiratory distress protocol, locate your CPAP device and remove it from the bag. Also remove the patient face mask from the bag and set to the side. Do not apply this to the patient until your oxygen supply is connected to the CPAP mask. Next, you're going to want to locate and remove from the bag the Quick Connect system. This is the device that will connect to the high pressure oxygen port on the main oxygen on the ambulance. Take the green port and screw onto the Quick Connect device. Make sure it's secure. Next, extend your tubing and securely place the Quick Connect device into the oxygen port. This will cause flow to the fixed flow Venturi device. It is quite loud. Next, you're going to want to ensure that your pressure setting reads 10 centimeters of water. Screw the device down until it reads 10, and then you can connect the fixed flow system to the mask and place on the patient. Once finished with CPAP therapy, you can remove the device by simply twisting and removing it from the high pressure port. This device easily unscrews from the CPAP system and can be placed on a portable oxygen bottle so you can bring your patient into the emergency department. It is important to follow the steps as outlined in the previous part of this video exactly. If you connect the Quick Connect to the high pressure oxygen port prior to attaching it to the CPAP tubing, you'll have a quick flow of air out of the ambulance and your O2 bottle will drain relatively quickly.